Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by QualityHomesCostaCalida.com. Hello and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by QualityHomesCostaCalida.com. Today we are in a very, very special property. Honestly, when we listed it some days ago, we were both, Anna and me, gobsmacked of what we see. That's the reason why we are starting today outside the property, and I'm showing you actually part of the Naranjos community, exactly the Garden Naranjos 7 at the moment, here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And we're going to see today a very special 2-bed, 1-bathroom penthouse apartment as you have never seen before. So enough said, I think it's time to go into this property. So we are on penthouse block 6. We are in apartment 634D, so it's a top floor apartment. As you can see, we are on the penthouse development here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and we're in block 6. So, enough said, let's walk into this property and let me show you this gem. Those ones who know about the property type may see immediately what they have done. So, you maybe have expected the classic penthouse apartment, which is actually not the case. They have transformed the kitchen, as normally there would be a pillar here. There is no pillar. They have got rid of the pillar. They have really rejuvenated the kitchen, made it a really beautiful kitchen, and have done nearly everything what you can do to this apartment to bring it up to the 21st century. So I'm just walking through. It's all light, it's all brand new furnishing, it's hardly ever used. The terrace has been done newly, as you can see. It's not the red terracotta tiling, it's quite a stylish grey tiling here, and which matches perfectly also with the brand new furnishing. By the way, we're just overlooking the golf course here, which all you know is this is a Jack Nicklaus signature golf course. It's just under repair and will open again in September. But you're really here in a commanding position. There's nobody above you as we are on the 3rd floor, so we enjoy a decent view, no neighbors on top. We are nearly opposite the clubhouse, so easy walking distance to the golf facilities, no doubt about. And apart from that, we have a southwest orientation, means we do get the sun here as of midday until it goes down somewhere there where you just see the center of our camera picture now. So we are on the penthouse development in block 6 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and I'm showing you, I shouldn't say a brand new apartment because it isn't, but it really has been made up, so it's a brand new apartment. They did so many things to this apartment to make it really sticking out. Just a small detail is this tiling here. Normally, as you can see in other apartments, this is just the whitewashed paint. In this case, they have put here additional tiling, which makes it easier to clean, but also gives a beautiful aspect. It's just modern. It just breathes modernity. And that's what it is. Obviously, we are on penthouse top floor, so there is a built-in barbecue, as you can see, as well as in the cabinet here, we do find the washing machine here, as well as the electric water heater. Happy days, so the infrastructure is set. We are fine to go. The terrace is quite a large terrace, as they all are on the penthouses. As we said, we're in the top floor, so there's nobody above us. And we enjoy this view without any disturbance. It's really great. So, having seen now the terrace, and it's really big enough, as you can see, sun lounges over here. There's still enough space for an additional table, and I still can swing the cat. So, it's a great property. They have done many, many things to the inside. So as you can see here, for example, this is the big television, which is obviously cable free. So there is no cable connected. Has a LED backlight as well. But as you can see, all details here is done to perfection. The owners are really perfectionists. As you can see, this is all set up as it should be. It's amazing. Anna and me, when we listed the property, we both fell in love immediately because it's just sticking out. Okay, normally I tell you now our reference on our webpage. Today I will do the same thing, but it will go live tomorrow. It's not live yet on our webpage. Oops, there was a mirror. It's not yet live on our webpage. It will be the reference 3558 on our dedicated webpage, QualityHomesCostaCalida.com. And as of tomorrow, You will see the property as well with pictures, with a 360-degree virtual tour, and with all other details explaining the property and all that. Reference 3558. Asking price is only 85,000 euros. All mirrors included, as you can see. In the bathroom, they have changed the bathtub to a fantastic walk-in shower. This really looks great. And it's all done to perfection, so there is no detail spared. It's really amazing what they did. I shouldn't say the owners are picky, because they're just taking really care of any detail. And that's exactly what this property expresses. It's just down to the detail in the work, down to the detail in choosing the right furnishing. It's really amazing. Waffling away, good to hear that, Darren. You will be over on Tuesday. Happy days. Looking forward. Okay, apart from that, I'm just showing you the master bedroom. The master bedroom is conveniently located just exactly accessible from the terrace, so this would be also your view more or less from your bedroom. So you're waking up overlooking the golf course. The sun will not be there in the morning, but as we said, the sun comes around midday and goes on until it goes down, as we are southwest facing orientated. Okay. So, master bedroom. We do find air conditioning in the master bedroom and in the living room. Here as well we have another television as well installed without any cabling. You can't see anything, but it's working. Having seen that, we have seen already the bathroom. Now the second bedroom. Well, I have to admit that this piece of art is not included. Well, it's obviously not a piece of art, it's a part of a gym equipment, which comes not included. But otherwise, the trundle bed is obviously included. Not included is Anna here, no. But otherwise, the trundle bed is obviously included, and pictures, furniture, and whatever, you name it, we have it. Both bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes, as you can see here, fitted wardrobe. I know I'm always showing you guys the same fitted wardrobes and you don't see anything, okay? And there are also lots of mirrors here, loads. So the mirrors are included, the picture you see in the mirror mainly is not included. Okay, going back into the kitchen, as you guys know, maybe, some of you who have seen already more of my shows, you know that I'm really a big fan of water filters. And as you know, since the last virtual open house we did last week, you know that everybody who buys a property of Quality Homes Costa Calida will get a water filter installed for free. Yeah, so we thought, oh, there is no water filter, we will tell other people we will put a water filter in. No need, because they have put here a water filter. But as they didn't like the water filter to be at the top here, at the work surface, they have installed it with a hose. So you can fill your water bottle here without any problem, and the filter is installed in there. So you just use the hose with the tap here, and off we go. So also this one has the water filter installed. I just need to put it back. Oh, has that? Let's order here. So I have shown you the water filter now. Another property with water filter equipped, but we'll make sure that we will find another freebie for you. Don't you worry. It might be a coffee machine or something like that. Okay, we are today on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and I'm showing you today the penthouse 634, which you can see is fully refurbished to say, because they have done really a lot to make the kitchen more pleasant and more accessible. They have taken out the central pillar, which normally is located somewhere here. So there's normally a pillar going up, and in this case they have taken the pillar out. So to make it a little bit more open and to create kind of an island feeling here as well, which can also be used as a breakfast bar. Apart from that, the property is fully furnished, as we see, has never been rented, never been let, only used by the owners themselves. And whenever they came over, they kept on improving and kept on spending money on that. And as we can see, the terrace looks totally different as any other terrace in the penthouses. This looks rather like the new build apartments than the classic, to say, penthouse apartment. On our webpage, Quality Homes Costa Calida, you do find this property and many others, but especially this one, as of tomorrow, please, as of tomorrow, under the reference 3558. Community fees, as we said, is 90 euros per month. It's about 200 euros per year on the council tax, or EB tax as we call it here. Excuse me. And is asking only 85,000 euros as it is. I think it's a stunning property and doesn't need any work to do. Just bring your suitcase and you will enjoy quite an attractive property, to say. Top floor, block 6, overlooking the driving range. Here we see the golf administration and the clubhouse. And that's the driving range in front. You can overlook all the golf course, as you can see. I will show you a little bit here of the golf course as far as it goes. So this is really amazing. The views are breathtaking. Temperature-wise today, we enjoy actually 36 degrees. It's quite a hot day, and standing out here on the terrace is a real pleasure. Having said that, this property is cool. Cool in the sense of that inside you hardly notice the heat. Has to do with the fact that these properties are ventilating perfectly. There is a small window here, which obviously is protected by a mosquito netting, which allows the air to flow in, and it flows through the apartment, through the sliding doors, out again. And it's just great, as the cooler air is really keeping on kind of a constant airflow, which is not that bad to make it uncomfortable, but on the other side, it keeps the heat very low. So as you can see, we have not turned on the air conditioning. Normally, excuse me, as we are a little bit of a cheeky bastards, we turn them on when we do our virtual tours. In this case, there is no necessity, because it's really bearable in here. Anna, what do you say for the temperature? I think it's okay, no?
It's fine, yeah.
It's okay, no?
Yeah, I was just at my apartment, which has the same orientation, but doesn't have this airflow. And my God, what a difference.
Exactly. No, it's amazing. Excuse me. It's really amazing. So I'm a little bit surprised, because I expected here that I will sweat like hell, but no, it's really great. Except when I go on the terrace. Yes, we are back on the master bedroom of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. Reference 3558 as of tomorrow, please. Asking price 85,000 euros only. And it's fully furnished. What we see is what we get. The property is in perfect condition, has been treated very, very well, and always kept like that. As you can see, also the details here with the tiling, you hardly, well, I shouldn't say that, but you don't see this craftsmanship very often, even in Spain. It's really amazing. So congrats to the owners/sellers, but this is really amazing, and we have to be thankful that we are allowed to do this show today and show you this unique apartment, as the owners are in at the moment, and I know that they're also making always quite an effort to make this as viewable as possible, and they really did again a fantastic job. We have been taking the pictures 2 days ago in here, and it's the same thing. The setup is just great. Showing you again the terrace of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment. I'm now standing nearly in the sliding door already, so you do see also the distance, I hope. So it's an ample terrace, covered by a decent sun sail. What they did as well is they have put here an additional glass with a nice design on it. Maybe also to keep the views from the neighbor apartment, but also maybe to shield it off against some wind which might come sometimes. So, and it's the detail. It's only detail after detail what they really did perfectly. Yeah. So congrats to the sellers. I'm normally not that emotional with that, but in this case, it's what it is. Living room, fully fitted with dining table, chairs, obviously, big leather sofa, single leather seater, massive television built in, backlight. Here you see the backlight. What I mean, this is the backlight. This comes in several colors. You can change it. Looks great at night, really.
Oh, Rupert, also the lamps kept changing color.
Yes, also the lamps. Thank you very much.
Color.
Also the lamps. You can change the color to different color schemes. But there is a mirror again. This is a nightmare here. There are too many mirrors here, as we don't come included, you know. Yeah. So, yeah. What else can we say, Anna?
Well, we mentioned the towel heater, the storage unit in the bathroom.
I did not mention yet the towel heater because I waited for you to point out some special...
Again, this is not standard. None of the apartments have towel heaters as standard, so this is an addition. Same thing for the tall storage unit over here. The rest is original, apart
Yes,
from, of course,
we have seen
this
the walk-in shower.
super duper. I feel like I'm on a cruise ship in here. I don't know about you, but I'm missing my cruises since COVID. So
Okay,
in here, I
same
might
same
come
here.
here every now and then just to have the no.
No. That's a no-go.
But this is really something special.
That's a no-go. And with lots of mirrors.
Extractor fan. Sorry, I know it sounds boring, but we have an extractor fan that is working. It's actually extracting. Because many of these do not function. It's actually.
It's actually really working.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's actually really working. Not just making noise.
Okay, so I think we shouldn't annoy the people anymore now with these silly
Yes,
details.
silly details.
Let's go back to the view and let's show again this fantastic view out there. But you will see, you will suffer. You just step out and think, well, I want to go to the pool, no?
Look, the golf clubhouse is open.
Actually,
There's
where's
people just leaving.
the next pool? To the right or to the left?
Pool is just around the corner.
Just around the corner,
here.
over there.
Yes, we're in block 6. It's between block 6 and 5, hence.
Okay, so
At the
just
end of this building,
just
around
using the
corner.
walkway down there, walking up, blah blah blah.
Four
At the end of
gardens
the.
along, and you're there.
Okay, happy days. Okay, well then, what else can we say apart from thanks for joining us? Community fees done already, 90 euros a month, asking price 85,000 on the webpage as of tomorrow. The reference 3558 with Quality Homes CostaCalida.com, obviously, as you know, the only estate agent on Condado de Alhama. So, yes, well, okay, we leave it where we are. We have to. And we are looking forward to your offer as soon as possible. Thanks, Leslie, for the feedback. Yes, it's a beautiful bathroom, but it's a beautiful apartment. It's
all round, really.
Okie doke. So
Like it.
thank you very much for joining us today
very
again
much.
to
Next
another
show in
virtual open
Spanish.
house. Next show at 5:30 in Spanish. Hi, Barry. Good afternoon.
We don't tell you where we're going next week. It's going to be a surprise.
Still, we don't tell you where we go next week. We have 3 things actually in the pipeline, and let's see who will win. Might be we go offsite, might be we stay here. Let's see. So stay tuned. We will publish it again on Tuesday on Facebook and wherever, and I'm looking forward to see you, or at least you join us here on our virtual open houses again next week, Thursday, 5 o'clock CET, 4 o'clock on the Canaries and in the UK. Thank you very much in the meantime. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.